Good morning students. Today we will see some questions of exercise 10.4. Question number 5. Principal is rupees 1,50,000 time 2 years. Rates are varying. Rates are changing. Out of the 2 years, rate for the first year is 10% and rate for the second year is 11%. We have to find the compound interest over the period of 2 years. As earlier, we will first calculate the interest for the first year. Interest for the first year. P R rate for the first year is 10% given. 10 times 1 year by 100. This will come rupees 15,000. So interest for the first year is 15,000. As you know, this interest will become the part of the principal, will be added to the principal. That will be the principal for the second year. Principal for the second year, you can write in word principal for the second year. Here I am writing P2, means principal for the second year. 1,50,000 plus 15,000. 1,65,000. This is the principal for the second year. Now we have to find interest for the second year. P 1,65,000. R rate for the second year is 11%. 11 times 1 year by 100. We have to multiply 11 and 1650. 18,150. Interest for the second year is 18,150. Okay. Now total compound interest over the period of 2 years. Total compound interest, how to calculate? Interest for the first year plus interest for the second year. Add these two. 15,000 plus 18,150. This is the principal for the second year. Please keep in mind, interest for the first year is this one and interest for the second year is this one. These two interest we have to write. 15 plus 18, 33,150. This is the interest, compound interest over the period of 2 years. This is the one way. Using formula, how can we do this? Using the formula. Using the formula, we have to first find the amount. We will first find the amount. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into 1 plus 11 by 100. This way we will calculate the amount. Suppose, as in given in the some other question, suppose we have to find the interest for 3 years and the interest for the next year is third year is 12%. Then here we will write 1 plus 12 by 100. Okay? 1,50,000. This will come 110 by 100. And here 111 by 100. These 4 zeros and 4 zeros will be cancelled. We have to multiply 15 into 110 into 111. Multiply this and you will get 1,83,150. This is the product of these three: 15, 110 and 111. You multiply them off and get 1,83,150. This is the amount. Now we can calculate compound interest is equal to E minus P. 153,150 minus 150. 33,150. Same as we have calculated earlier here also. Okay. One more question we will see. Question number 7. Question number 7. See the question. What is the principal, rate and time? What is different in this question? Question number 7. Principal is rupees 5,000. Rate is 8% per annum. And time is 1 year. 1 year. Time is 1 year. The difference is interest is compounded quarterly. Read the question. Interest is compounded quarterly. Quarterly means after every 3 months. After every 3 months. And this rate is per annum. Per annum. You know that in a year how many quarters are there? 4 quarters. So 8% per annum means 8 by 4 is equal to 2% quarterly. Quarterly rate is 2%. Suppose if the interest is compounded half yearly, then here we will divide by 8 by 4. 8 by 2, sorry, 4% half yearly. Means in a year there will be 2 half years. Okay. Now time is 1 year. Time is 1 year and 1 year is equal to how many quarters? 3 4 are 12, 4 quarters. T is equal to 4 quarters. Now principal, rate, time. Either you calculate the interest year wise or directly. Here the number of times will be very large. 4 times you have to calculate. So I use the formula for amount. A is equal to 5,000 1 plus 2 by 100 to the power 4. This thing you have to keep in mind. If the interest is compounded half yearly, then the rate will be divided by 4. 8% per annum means 8 by 2, sorry. 8 by 2 means 4% half yearly. And time 1 year means 2 half years. Here the value of T will be 2 half years. So now we calculate 5,000. This will become 1 by 50. 1 plus 1 by 50 to the power 4 is equal to 5,000 into 50 plus 1, 51 by 50. 51 by 50 to the power 4. Power 4 means 4 times we have to write 51 by 50. 51 by 50, 51 by 50. We can cut 2 times 225s are. Now in the numerator 51 into 51 into 51 into 51, 4 times 51 you have to multiply. If you multiply 4 times 51 676520. This is the product of 51, 51, 51, 51 4 times. 6765201 divided by denominator 25 into 50 1250. Thus we get the amount 5412.16. This is the amount, and on subtracting principal from this amount we will get the interest. Interest is equal to, if 5000 is subtracted from this amount, we will get 412.16. Okay, all the questions you can do now.